Good evening, Bios Baptist Church. You must get tired of hearing us saying that, oh, the church is closed for another renovation. Well, winter, it's our winter renovation season. They left the trash bucket that's supposed to be our future trash can supposed to go right there. They're just gonna go right there. So when people sit on that bench, they throw their trash there in this lobby. They got a big nice tree. Let's brighten up the image so you can see it. We got a bunch of them. They finished the prayer garden. Finally, the ceremony is this Sunday. It's not open yet, though. But here it is. This is a sneak peek in the back Bios Baptist Church. Here's all the tools. Normally we don't film in here like this, but hey, what's the harm? It's a prayer sign. All the beautiful plants. In here's finished actually. Storm drain is right there. That's a little storm drain. All the water is supposed to drain out. It didn't work much last time. Fan is supposed to be right in between those two plants, right there. Still see that big nice tree over there. This is our new group room. A chair's supposed to be right there and right here. Bird bath's supposed to have water in it. Let's go see what they did to this south end of the church. One of the lights kicked on a little early. They're putting off a tree here. They say, I think more trees are to come. I think so. They're washing dishes inside. Hi, First Lady Sinclair. These are two new trees we got. These trees are very big and tall. Got a new whiteboard. So, thanks to your donations, this is what we were able to do. All thanks to your donations. But, be cautious though. These are not financial donations. These donations were the things themselves. So what you are seeing are the donations themselves. We still need financial donations because if you could see, there's still a lot of damages to the facility. This stone, for example, is chipped, cracked, and broken. Needs to be replaced. They got another beautiful tree around here. These two stones are chipped, cracked, broken. Some of these lights on the south side, the south lights, they don't turn on at night sometimes. And the east lights don't work. That's another problem. So just thinking about it, as beautiful as Bios Baptist Church is, as you may look in Mark chapter 2 verse 15, correct me if I'm wrong on this one, it says, woe to ye all scribes and Pharisees. Now correct me if I'm wrong on this one. Actually, it's not Mark, it's Matthew 23:23. Woe unto you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites! Pay tithe of mint and anise and cumin, and have omitted the wither, which is matters. So that word there, wither, means matters. That's a vocabulary word of the law, judgment, and mercy, and faith. These ought to ye have been done, and not to leave the other undone. So, when you pay your tithe and offering, don't just do it because you have to or you feel that it's the law. Just do it because you want to. Don't make such a big probability risk out of it. You know what I mean? So just do it because it is your will with God's. Luke 6:38, and I'm closing on this one. Give and it shall be given unto you, good measure, pressed down and shaken together, and running over shall men give into your bosom. For which the same measure that ye made withdraw, it shall be measured to you again. This means that if you give, you'll get something in return. Bios Baptist Church has a lot of good programs that you could benefit from, but we cannot run those programs without your tithe and your offering and your donations. So if you give, you could also help us for the greater good. And at the end of the year, and various parts of the year, we also give to bigger organizations too. So therefore, you're not just helping BIOS to help others. You can help flood victims. You can help people with breast cancer. You can help anybody. Because we give money to local, international. Well, that's all. I don't know why I said it as if there was another one coming. But you could give to those we take the money and we could give it to charity. If only we had enough. All those ideas could come to mind if only we had enough. The instructions are on our website, Bios Baptist Church. Just type in Bios Baptist Church in your search engine, and then go where it says website and click on it. And then you're going to go and look for the tithe and offering screen. And right there it's going to say, Right there, you're going to see a basket full of money. Click that, and that's how you'll be able to pay your tithe. Have a good day, and may God bless you.